Hi friends, today we will discuss about how to compute arrays in Matlab. First of all, we will read the statements of the questions. Suppose x takes on the values x is equal to 1, comma 1.2, 1.4 into so on 5. Use Matlab to compute the array y that results from the function y is equal to 7 sin 4x. Use Matlab to determine how many elements are in the array y and the value of the third element in the array y. And code is x is equal to bracket start 1 colon 1.5 colon 5 bracket end and semicolon. Y is equal to 7 star sign bracket start 4 star x bracket end. M is equal to length of y and n is equal to size of y, and we compile it. Its answers. You see that size shows that the order of the array and the lengths show that how many elements in the array. There are three elements in the array y, and these elements are minus 5.2976, second is minus 3.8081, third is minus 2.0153. And next question is use Matlab to determine how many elements in the array sign minus pi over 2 colon 0.05 colon 0. Use Matlab to determine the 10th elements. Y of 10th we find, and y of 10th is minus 5.5500, and these are elements. Now we check z is equal to size of y. Its size is 1 row and 47 columns. If we wish to check its length, give error. So skip it and size y. Its size is this. And next example is if a is equal to 35367 and b is equal to 194, to determine c is equal to a plus b, and its answer is 4, 15 and 11. Remark, both a b are given as a three elements array. In the third line, the operation of a plus b results the element by element addition, means 1 add 3, 9 add 6 and 7 add 4, and its answer is 4, 15 and 11. Now we go to next example. If A is equal to 367, B is equal to 1945. To determine C is equal to A and A bracket start 2 bracket end plus B bracket start 4, and we run it. Its answer is 11. If B is one dimensional array, B of n is the nth element of that array. Means we pick second element of array 1 and fourth element of array B. You check it. Since A of 2 is 6, this is 6, and B of 4 is 5. The third statement leads to C is equal to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Thanks for listening me. Please subscribe my channel.